Are you looking for the best electric staple guns? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best electric staple guns on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Stanley Nail Gun. Stanley's heavy-duty electric staple and nail gun with dual power, high/low, lever is designed for use on both soft and hard materials. Featuring an 8-foot-long power cord, this staple gun uses heavy-duty staples and 1/2 9/16 and 5/8 inch brads. Further, to help you save time and make cleaning a hassle-free task, it comes with a quick jam clear mechanism. This video takes you through this product's details. Number 2. Automatic heavy-duty electric stapler. Eco-Electronics' EX25 stapler allows you to staple up to 30 sheets instantly and can run on either an AC power adapter or 6 AA batteries. The electric stapler comes preloaded with 210 premium staples and uses standard 0.25-inch full strip staples. Number 3. Nailmaster Electric Brad Nailer. If your search is directed towards a convenient electric stapler meant for DIY projects, Nailmaster's 2-in-1 nailer and stapler is an ideal choice. The machine doesn't require any hoses or compressors and can be used for various softwood DIY projects. Besides, its non-marring rubber nose offers a flawless finish. Number 4. Batavia Electric Nail and Staple Gun. The Batavia 2-in-1 staple and nail gun is a versatile, easy-to-use tool compatible with both staples and brad nails. It comes with a 6.6-foot ultra-long cable, providing a larger range of movement for using it in woodworking, interior and exterior decorating, crafts, door or window installation, and other DIY projects with ease. Number 5. Roberts Electric Stapler. This electric stapler by Roberts comes with a quick-release mechanism to let you secure a variety of floors and perform carpet installation projects. It holds up to 85 staples and has a bottom-loading magazine for quick reloading. The ergonomic stapler is comfortable to handle and is non-slippery as it comes with a rubber grip. Number 6. Cordless 5-in-1 Professional Staple Gun. Arrow's ET501C cordless staple gun is a versatile choice as it can be used to staple and nail different materials, including carpets, wood, craft supplies, and wires. It features a lithium battery that can fire over 1,000 shots on a full charge, making it ideal for completing all your DIY projects. Additionally, the staple gun has a color-coded guide to assist in selecting the appropriate fasteners for your project. Number 7. Metabo HPT Finish Stapler. This stapler by Metabo HPT accepts 18-gauge narrow crown staples that range anywhere between 1/2 inch to 1 to 1/2 inch in length. The stapler is adequate for external and internal trim work, be it for furniture or any other work that requires a fine finish. Weighing just 2.3 pounds, it offers convenience and can be handled effortlessly.